How to open your location on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to open your location on Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are here, click on edit, and now you have location at this options. Click on it. In here, do you want to show your location in profile so your followers can know your location? Click on open, and now click on allow, and now click on save. And this is it, save successfully. Now your location will be showed on your profile information. So this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe and like.